Welcome to the Rubix Inscan app tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to set up and use the Rubix Inscan mobile app. In this first section, you will learn how to install the app on your smart device. Firstly, you will need to download the Power Apps application to your smart device from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on the brand of device you are using. The Power Apps icon looks like this. Once downloaded, open the app, which should appear on your home screen, and enter your rubix-group.com email address into the box as shown. Next, enter your system password into the box. This is the password you use to get onto your BBH system to access your emails. Once you have signed in, you should see the blue and yellow Rubix Inscan app in the Power Apps menu. If it is not visible, press the down arrow next to the words Power Apps at the top of the screen and choose All Apps. You also have the option of placing the Rubix Inscan app directly onto your home screen by pressing the three dots and choosing the Add to Home Screen option. At this point, you may be asked to give the app permission to use the mobile device's camera. If so, click Allow. You may then see some basic app usage instructions. If so, go ahead and press Next on the Swipe to Close screen and Got It on the Pinch to Zoom screen. Now you should have the Inscan app front page displayed on the screen as shown, which means that the app is now installed and you are ready to start scanning our Inscan cribs. In the next section, you will be learning how to use the Inscan mobile app to scan cribs, delete any incorrect scans, and upload to the K8 system ready for processing. Firstly, press the mobile camera button. Now press the scan button. At this point, the first time you use the app, you may need to allow the app access to your mobile device's camera again. If so, press OK. On the screen now is an example of our Inscan barcode labels, which show the customer's part number, if required, the max level, the K8 part code, the item description, and the crib number, which in this example is the number underneath the barcode after the letter B, which is 72. This is handy to know if you are filling multiple cribs on a customer site with the same products, allowing the correct quantities to be replenished into the correct cribs. Your mobile device should now be displaying a live video screen from the camera. On this screen there is a flashlight button in case the crib area is not well lit, and a camera button which, if pressed, switches the camera to face you. To scan the barcode, ensure that the barcode is centered in the green box and that the red line runs through the center of the barcode. If the barcode has been read successfully, you will hear a beep and the app will return to the screen shown. Also, the crib number and bin number will be displayed in the yellow box. At this point, all you need to do is count the current number of items in the bin. Enter it into the app by pressing the corresponding number. In our example, the bin contains 2 items. Once you have pressed a number, it will also be displayed in the yellow box. If you accidentally push the wrong number, you can clear this by pressing the Clear Quantity button and enter the correct number back again. From here, press Save and repeat the process with the next bin. If you accidentally scan a bin twice, the app safeguards against this and will show you on the screen that the bin has already been scanned and ask you to scan a new bin. This will prevent any duplicated orders. Once the scan is complete, press the Finish button. This will then display a list of the bins you have scanned and the quantities that you have entered. From here, you will be able to delete any lines if necessary and go back to the scanning screen to rescan the deleted bin by pressing the back arrow. If you are happy with the scan, press the Submit button and the app will notify you that the file has been imported, as shown on the screen. Click Close and your scan will be visible on the K8 system the following morning to be processed. If you would like to see a list of your imported scans, you can do so by pressing the Your Imports button on the front screen of the app. This will display them in date order and show you the status of the import. You can also press the yellow arrow on the right hand side of each import to access a batch file of your scan if requested by the VMS team. This concludes the Inscan app training. If you require further support with the app or have any queries, please direct them to your local VMS technical sales manager who will be happy to assist. Thank you.